Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tommy and this is where I give you interesting DIY topics, hacks and general topics that will just make life easier. Today I'm going to be talking about weight loss in a very brief way. So this topic is about weight loss in general. If you want to change your body weight or if you want to just reduce your weight generally without doing so much and without going for so many procedures, there's a simple way to just do it. If you are looking for how to reduce some weight from your body, either for health reasons or for whatever reason, it's almost summer and everybody's looking for that summer body, right? So one of the easiest ways in which you can shed weight, there are so many ways in shedding weight, either taking lemon water, taking apple cider vinegar, which I'll talk about later on. But the easiest way, which I'm going to share with you, is you taking water. Yes, just simply taking water. I know many people don't like taking water. I'll just own up to that and say I am someone that I just don't like taking water, because I was like, why would I take water? Wake up in the morning, take water. But I realized that when I started doing this, it really helped me. And the secret is taking at least 2 glasses of water or a 60cl bottle of water. This is perfect for you. So you take 2 glasses of water before every meal, or a bottle of water morning, afternoon, evening. But this is not all you take. At least throughout the day, you still consume water in so many ways. Water, like water infused with lemon, water infused with strawberries, water infused with cucumber. Anything to make you take water, you need to. Statistics have shown that people that consume or drink at least 2 glasses of water before every meal are likely to shed at least 5 kg in about 6 to 12 weeks than people who don't at all. So you might wonder, why have I not been doing this? 5 kg might look simple or it might look small to some people, but at the same time it's a huge step for some other people. If I lose 5 kg today, like I'll go from like a size 12 to like a size 10, or from like a size 10 to like a size 8. So losing 5 kg and you being consistent with it works and offers you better results on the long run. So why don't you start consuming your water right now? I'm not even talking about doing the very extreme results or doing the very extreme things like mixing this, infusing this with that. Just take water. Water alone. If you research, you will find out that when you take more water, you tend to shed more weight. And it's not perfect, because the more water you take before every meal means the less you have to eat, because your tummy or your stomach walls are already like half filled with some kind of volume. That is the water. So you can't keep on eating and eating and eating. Sometimes you don't know when to stop eating. So having that water also helps you to flush out the toxins from your body, all the bad stuff that you need to flush out from your body. You go to the toilet more. If you go to the toilet more, you lose all those toxins, and with that, you're shedding all the fat and unwanted deposits from your body. So guys, this is my tip for today. If you don't like taking water, simply just download one of these water apps on your phone. It tells you when to take your water regularly, maybe like every hour, every 2 hours, before every meal, and it goes on like that. If you don't like the taste of water, you can infuse it with other things, like I said, like fruits, like strawberries, like cucumber, lemons, and whatever you can lay your hands on. And you'll see that you'll be on your way to being fresher, looking slimmer, and having the body that you so desire, if that is what you want, because it has to depend on you. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly share, comment, and subscribe before you leave this channel, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.